All right, here's one of your, just a homework game, essentially. You got a couple of them. It asks you to create a graph, but really, this is the questions. Sketch the graph of the function. Include 2 full periods, but you're doing the shit online. And our homework, online homework software, isn't quite as what we call robust as others. So you're not actually going to make your own graph. We're just gonna match the one that works for us. There's a randomization, so if you get these incorrect, it's gonna switch it on you. So you can't just go like that. Multiple choice. Choose this one, this one, this one, this one. Move on. So it should change it up on you if you miss. So let's see if we can't figure out which one's which. So first we want to look at our number there. And we're like, okay, well that's our d value. They write it as y is equal to d plus a times sine of bx. I'm not going to write the c in there because we're not dealing with a phase shift yet. Therefore, our d is equal to positive 2. That's our vertical shift. So that means we're going to be moving up by 2. So immediately I'm going, get out of here. This is what we call process of elimination. Right away, just going, hey, that can't be the answer. It's got to shift it up. It's going up. That's a positive freaking 2, not a negative 2. All right, well, sweet. This is how you do a multiple choice test, by the way. You don't find the answer. You find what's not the answer. That's how you can be successful on those multiple choice. I'm talking English classes. I don't give a shit what class you're in. These are skills for learning how to take a test. Remember, college is a freaking game. It's a damn game. We make you jump through hoops. So many of you are never going to use math except for maybe in physics and move on, but you're forced to learn all this bullshit. Yeah? I had to learn dance appreciation. I had to take psychology classes. I had to take sociology classes. I had to take all kinds of bullshit. I was a math major. We jump through hoops. College is a game. Learn how to play the game well. Be a beast. When you forget to study, know how to pass a multiple choice test with logic. All right, going back to the problem. Dang, I went on a tangent. Sorry about that. Stop yelling. Okay, now we're going to move the rest of the way, and let's go figure out what's our A. I know that there's not a number written there. It's kind of hard to swear, like, there's no A, but there is. There is. That's -1, dude. That's -1. Our A value is equal to -1, which is saying that when we go that it's going to start by going down. So we're like, oh, okay, let's look. Starts by going down. Starts by, oh, shoot. All right, well, that's not the trick. That didn't tell us what's going on. Oh, okay. Well, what's left? B. And you're like, all right, well, what's our B? Let's see if we can't line that up. All right, cool. So our B is equal to 2 pi over 3, which means the period is 2 pi over the 2 pi over 3. Neato. That's super fantastic. That's super fantastic. So we go 2 pi, and this actually just flips up and multiplies. I'm going to stop showing that step over and over. I'll let you do your own algebra. We find out the period is 3. So it takes it, so if we started here, we're like, 1 full period. We got to go to 3. Oh, well, that's not the freaking answer. Oh, shit. Look at this one. Starts, there's our center line. Wherever the D is, that's your center line. D is equal to 2. That lines up. That's good. So we got our center lines on point. If we travel the whole way down to where we start back there, right? That's 1 full wave, and we go, bang, we're at 3. Go. We found it. It's this one there. You have to play this game. And it's all about messing around, figuring out what the period is. Is it shifting up? Is it shifting down? Is it starting by traveling up, or is it starting by traveling down? There's a lot of these games in here. So, real short one. That's going to help you with your own. Later.